Hello, you can try using this harmonica or this one. This is a 4-hole diatonic harmonica with a C major scale. And this is a chromatic harmonica with this slide bottom. So, let's start. Hear the metronome. I will count with you. And after that, we'll start playing. Now, great. Now the metronome will be a little bit faster. So be patient, hear the metronome, feel the harmonica, listen. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. If it isn't easy for you, just be patient. You have just played the C major scale. Well done.